Hello, this project is brought to you by Edward.ai. So let's find you a perfect Eduardo. This is the presentation of the application as a blockchain. This is a closed beta. It's not even ready for open open beta because, for example, it does not stores the password in with hashing. But that being said, let's dive right into the app. So we're going to log in since we already have an account. Okay, as you can see, we're getting our chat UI. On the right side, we have already two widgets that we've done previously. In the middle, we have the chat, and on the left, we have for now just the user ID and the status that it is connected. As a side note, the connectors comes from the UI being connected with the backend through service sent events. I've built in an acknowledgement system, kind of verification, so no messages will be lost from the backend to the. This is a bit typical for services sent events, but it works really, really well. So, as blockchain is designed to operate as a platform, allowing blockchain node owners to set up an UI that enables them to integrate AI LLM with blockchain for data analysis and enables them to create and set up API hooks that will keep delivering fresh updated data on request. So basically the user will connect to the application. He will go through the login process and he will be redirected to the chat UI. Here he will have access to his library, or he will be able to make a request to retrieve data from the blockchain, or even set up a new webhook that will be again available in the library. Now this is a very simplified diagram of the UI, which is quite simple as it is barely its first closed beta stage. Okay, so let's see if we can get it working. So make me a web hook that shows me the hash of the last transaction. And now we wait. So basically what will happen, this message will be sent to an AI, which is tasked to be the manager. That manager is called Relay, which is now actually calling agent coder to ask him probably to make a script that can query the blockchain for the for the hash of the last transaction. So we see he created the file, last transaction hash, and he executed the file. Now he got an error executing the file. He seems he's trying to debug it because he can do that as well. He executed the file, got another error, and well, let's see what is going to happen now. Don't you love software that is in development? Okay, so let's try something else. The system decided to act a little bit honky. I think it's working now, so let's give it another try. Make me a webhook that will give me the number of the previous created block. Okay, so we've launched our request. Let's see if we're gonna get something back this time. Okay, the system started. Relay calling agent coder, and now agent coder should code, and hopefully he won't fail executing files this time. Okay, the file created. Oh no, I don't know what is going on, but watch this. Okay, okay. The no man. Okay, funny thing. If I'm going to try this, tell agent coder to execute this file. Okay, let's see. This should work. It's a funny beta. What can I say? Oh, he's going to create a file? No, he's just going to execute the file. Oh, and he got the number. He correctly executed the file, and now yeah, now it's everything's okay. I think for some reason the AI is misspelling the name. For some reason, it sometimes it fails in funny ways, but most of the times works. Obviously, this kind of errors will be less and less encountered into a production level application. But this the purpose of this presentation is just to showcase the value and the possibility of such an app. Okay, so now we have our our webhook created here, and now we can go and see which this was it, right? So the previous block uh, had this number. Great. So as blockchain is designed to operate as a multi-layer AI cluster in which specialized AI systems cooperate to transform the user request into a working production-ready service. The user is communicating with the first layer of the system, which is the manager. The manager can delegate tasks, coordinate the team, and he is working in this case with two different agents. Agent coder, which can create, rewrite, execute file, and move files. He is also fine-tuned into coding queries for the Bitcoin blockchain, and agent webhook can create hooks, edit hooks, test hooks, remove hooks, and he's pretty much in charge with making sure that whatever code agent coder creates can be accessed via a webhook by the user. And pretty much this is the logical diagram of the system. User input comes into the relay manager, which delegates a task if it's necessary to either or both agent coder and agent webhook. He gets the output back and returns the output to the user. Hey, thank you for watching this presentation. If you are interested into this product, you can visit our webpage. We have one page for this project, which is pretty much at the beginning. There's not much here, but you can also visit our GitHub repo and also our YouTube channel. Until the next time, have a nice holiday.